Okay, we're back. A little bit nicer day. I have a little bit more energy. It's a Friday, feeling good. I'm gonna get this lawn finished up being mowed. Gonna get everything put in the garden, and tomorrow we're gonna work on the mulch pile and spreading stuff in the garden. Maybe planting some more seeds. Give you a little update on the seedlings. It should be good. It's gonna be a good day. Good weekend. Getting all caught up from taking a little time off last week, but feeling good. So this is what we're doing today, this evening, and then more to come tomorrow. So let's do it. Okay, with 100% certainty, I've determined that my least favorite activity when running a tractor is fueling it. Okay? I searched high and low for a gas can that was not a complete, I can't think of a nice word, that just wasn't garbage. Like this one with its special little safety cap, and you know, we got a button here, and it's no spill. Look at it, it's called no spill. What, you know, it just spills everywhere. It doesn't immediately stop when I release the green thing. I don't understand why this is such an ordeal. It's probably me. It's probably like mostly operator error. And this is hard to reach, and this is heavy to hold, but it's just like it leaks from the edge here if you don't have it on perfectly. This cap just gets right in the way. It just hangs right in the middle, so you got to push it out of the way. I've given up completely on using the filters. It's an ordeal. I don't know. I'm just gonna have to stop recording. I've already learned I'm not gonna record when I'm fueling up, because I'm pretty sure every single time I've spilled. Messy guy. Okay, I think I may have found a way to fill this thing up without it turning into an absolute disaster. Specifically with that can that I chose how to do, but I'll show you how to do it in a later video. I still want to perfect it because I've looked like an idiot on camera way too many times as it relates to fueling this fancy little tractor. So, without further ado, let's start it up and go. Okay, well, that went just fine. Wrapped up mowing the lawn, got like a huge batch of that going, dumped it over at the garden. I might walk you around there, but right now I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up because it's been sitting in my garage stinking of grass all week. So, and it's covered in diesel fuel, so I don't know how that happened. So I'm gonna get this thing cleaned up, gonna get that put away. I'm gonna try and get this disaster less disastrous, and we'll see where we're at after that. Maybe we'll do a quick garden tour. But alright, well, I'm gonna do this now. There's sand cranes rooting around in my raspberries. I don't think they're messing with the raspberries themselves, but they might be. Look at those guys. They're gonna start squawking any minute now. Just stay out of the raspberries. That's all I'm asking. Look at all those pretty flowers you have. Just stay out of the raspberries. Cranes these days, you know? Oh, you know, they kinda... Doesn't look like they messed with the plants. They got a little close. No, see, you're gonna hit the roots, you guys, and you're gonna kill my plants here. And then we're gonna have a problem. And you don't want to have a problem with me when it comes between me and my garden, bruh. These guys are looking good. I'm gonna do some trimming out here. Yeah, see, there's another one. You know, it took me a lot of effort, you cranes, to put all this grass here. And when you come through and you do this, well, it doesn't make me happy. Yeah. Not really sure what to do about that other than just keep scaring them away. Because, yeah. Can't have the birds wrecking my garden. We will have a problem. Oh man, I really dug it up over here, guys. Alright, well, I've got the trimmer with me. I'm just gonna knock down some of these weeds because eventually we're gonna be putting wood chips in between these raspberry rows over here. And I'm gonna be putting a lot of that grass that I collected mowing the lawn last time on these beds because these were the first ones I covered, and it's getting pretty thin and obviously torn up by the birds. So that's what I'm working on today, and then with the rest of the mulch, I'll be putting it in the garden. Garden's looking okay. I don't know. I probably should have watered it some more. We went out of town, so I wasn't able to, but I'm running it now, and you know, it's a first-year garden. It's fresh soil. I don't think any of the any of the soil structure has really been built. There's, you know, all the bacteria and whatever that helps the plants. It's just not there because it's all been beat up so much. But next year will be a good year, and every year after that. So whatever we get, it'll still be a good year. We'll still get some. We'll still get something out of it. But yeah, just getting it built, just getting it this far has been a lot of work. So yep, just working in the garden today.